So welcome back to another one of my videos, and today I thought I would share a day in the life of a slime shop owner, and I'm just taking delivery of some of supplies for extras, and I'm just going to see what's in this package I ordered. And here we've got some fake snow. So this is the sort of snow you add water to and it expands to about a ridiculous amount its original size, like more than 10 times I think. And I'll be making cloud slimes with these. So next package we have is some Squishies I ordered in, I think it was Amazon, and I ordered a lot of stuff from Amazon and eBay. So here we've got some Galaxy Pandas Squishies, and I thought these would go really well with a Galaxy slime theme, so I'm going to do some packages for that, so watch out for it in the shop. Don't forget slimescrewball.etsy.com, and look how wonderfully slow inflating these are. So I'm really pleased with that. And also in here we've got some milk carton squishies, and my idea for these is to do a cereal milk slime with a carton of milk as a squishy, and that will show up in my shop very soon, so keep an eye out for that too. Super cute. So next up, I thought I'd share just me putting together some extras that come with every slime order total in the shop, and I include one of my cards that gives my Instagram details, my slime shop address, and 10% discount. So that goes in every package I send. And with that, the slime care sheet and a whole load of information about borax use. So if you just purchase a bottle of borax from the shop, you'll get one of these cards just to say how to use the borax, how to open the bottle, and on the other side is slime care for those of you who do buy slime. So just sit back and watch, and you'll see all the little extras that I tend to include with my orders. Here I've got some glitters, and I always include some sweets and sometimes erasers and sometimes toys, and it's always different, so if you order again you won't be getting the same extras in every package. I tend to do a whole bunch at once, and then once those are finished I begin again with another theme. So yeah, watch, see what I tend to include, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here I've got a whole big basket ready to go. So every time I put together a slime package, I grab one of these bags of extras, and you'll find something similar in your package from the shop. So the borax use sheet, slime care information card. Here's a little mini bowling alley that I intend to give away at some point. And all the little extras, erasers, sweets, glitter, all that good stuff. So finally I thought I'd show you putting together one of my mystery boxes, and this is for somebody who purchased off eBay. I sell these quite regularly. I also sell them in my Etsy shop. So here we have an 8-ounce strawberry bubblegum slime and a unicorn powder puff slime, 4 ounce. And finally this is brand new mint aero, 2 ounce. So they also get a 15ml bottle of activator, this cute little silicone cat squishy. I just think he's adorable. These are very popular at the moment. So cute. Love him. I want to give him a name. Comment below what name you think he should have. So then they get the bag of extras, some tissue paper on top, and finally their invoice with a little smiley face on top. So just package this up and it's good to go. I also decided to do a stencil and spray on a big question mark for all my mystery boxes, so that just adds to the sense of fun. Finally, it's worth noting, if you do order one of these boxes off eBay or Etsy, each box is entirely different from the next, so everything included in this video that you've seen is not necessarily going to be the same as the one you receive. So that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye!